This is a Fox weather alert. A massive and record-breaking winter storm unfolding right now.
No four-wheel drive? Cuatro? Why are the front wheels not turning?
This morning, more than 170 million Americans are bracing for impact.
Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on.
You gotta hit the gas.
8 to 12 or more inches of snow before we tack ice on top of that.
Helping a nurse, going to the hospital. A little bit more important than, YouTubing.
We are tracking a crippling and significant winter storm up and down the U.S. East Coast.
I will say, guys, I think this is the worst I've seen it.
Record-shattering cold. Wind chills could go up to -60.
You stuck? Yeah? See? You want help? Lo siento, mi español es no bueno. Todavía aprendiendo.
18 states and Washington, D.C., all under states of emergency this morning.
Oh, where it says park on the top left corner up there? Perfect. All right, that was easy. Whew, that was easy. Papa John's is open. That is wild. This is crazy. Well, I gotta say, guys, I think this is the worst I've seen it. And you guys know I've gone out in a ton of storms. Usually it's not actually that bad. It's just that people are in cars and, it's like cars or 18-wheelers that can't get through this kind of stuff. But this is actually pretty bad. Like, the roads were plowed at one point, clearly, but haven't been in some time. And there's parts where it's deep, really deep. This is crazy. TRX is a monster, though. It really is. Okay, let's do it. Big hill here. A little sketchy, a little scary. Going to just use my gears and keep it slow. Keep it slow. Yeah, this is not good. Not good, guys. Look at this road here. I suspect it will not be long until we find somebody that is stuck. This is actually crazy. Hat is on. Hat is on. So this is nice. I can drive and not have to hold the camera. Hopefully the angle is good, not too high. But yeah, in town, not too bad. Definitely icy, but not awful. Look at the cars though, buried. CVS is open, I think. Wow, that's crazy. I think they're open. Papa John, no way Papa John's is open. That is wild. Well, we can get pizza. Okay. Wow. That's wild. Because I'll say the roads are bad. These are bad roads, not good at all. Really icy. Snow underneath and then ice on top, not good at all. Oh yeah. Stuck? Oh, stuck. Oh, I got this, boys. I think they're stuck. I think they're stuck. Didn't take long. Oh, I can't see anything out of the camera. Y'all stuck? Stuck? You stuck? Yeah? See? You want help? Lo siento, mi español es no bueno. Todavía aprendiendo. ¿Habla español? Sí? Alright. This will be easy. All right, that was easy. Whew, that was easy. All right. All right. Pretty easy there. Got it. See. De nada, no problemo. This rescue brought to you by our good friend and sponsor, 717supply.com. Well, guys, this is it. There are only 3 days left. Yes, only three days left in the Your Choice Pick Your Dream Truck giveaway, where right now any Pick Your Dream Truck entry pack on the site gets you entered to win the truck and the Tahoe, both immaculate, both mint condition, classic 1998 GM gems here. And yes, you can pick. So all you got to do is get any of the 5 entry packs on the site. You can pick whatever one or get multiple, up to you. And you are entered to win the truck and the 2-door Tahoe. And of course, you get to pick. So you can choose the truck or the Tahoe, totally your choice. And of course, I would like to know, which one are you taking? That's a tough one. They are both so cool, so clean. Again, totally like dealership 30 years ago condition. They are insane, and you do get the original window sticker with each one. Hit that link again. Only 3 days left, guys. Don't miss out. This is insane, and there is nothing else like this on the internet. This is truly unique and a chance to own something extremely rare and cool. So hit the link, get in right now, and good luck. Now, if you're thinking, wait, only 3 days left, didn't this just start? Well, yes, but these are very short, very exclusive, no outside ads, and the window to get in is really small. God, I hate the cold. Oh, hate the cold. I'm freezing now. Absolutely freezing. Tengo buena noche. Yeah, see, de nada. Oh my God, my hands are freezing. Hopefully they're good. They gotta stay on the main road. They should be okay, but wow. Crazy, my hands are friggin' numb. Oh, stuck. Another van, look at that. That'll do it. Howdy.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Can you move? It looks like you can move. I was gonna tell you out, but.
Can you pull me?
Yeah, I can. Where are you trying to go? This way?
I'm gonna go back out that way.
Go straight, okay, yeah.
I was coming to see my kids, but I'm not gonna make
You
it.
think you could reverse out?
I tried. It's too deep back there.
Okay. I just saved a whole van full of people like 2 seconds
Really?
ago, yeah. Over on Hershey Park Drive.
Yeah, I shouldn't have came out. I thought
It's bad.
South Hanover usually does a pretty good job.
Yeah, I honestly haven't seen it. Like I go out all the time just for fun. Like I just film recoveries and all. I gotta tell you, I haven't seen it this bad. There's some roads where that was like up to halfway up the wheels. I was like, that's like that's pretty insane.
I live in Palmyra. I was coming over just to give my kids some food. Like I made some stuffed shell.
Well, that'd be nice. Well, I can try to push.
Should we go? But we should probably go this way, right?
You want to go straight? I'm just trying to think. If you're trying to turn left, I don't know if you're gonna have room.
He just came through.
So you think just getting to this area? Well, maybe, yeah. Maybe if you can go for it, and I can push from the back. Here we go. Oh, come on. I knew being fat was good for something. Can you turn traction control off?
I don't know how to do that.
Can you turn traction off? Then it'll stop cutting power.
My someone's gonna come over and help me, but I don't know where the hell he's at.
Okay, try that now. It shouldn't cut power. Yeah. He's got it.
Where does he want to go?
Well, he's out. I think he's clear now. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay. Well, there he is. He's there at least, not in the road. Yeah, it's funny, like the average person just doesn't know. When you have movement, floor it, stay in it. Once you cut momentum, that's it, you're cooked. You gotta stay in it. So, there he goes. Too easy. Where are you trying to go, just straight?
Yeah, I'm going to the parking garage.
Cool.
You're the bomb. Oh my god.
I do this just for fun. I film TikToks.
Okay, never mind. We're good, I think. Okay, I'll call you back. Okay. I wanted my kids to have a safe vehicle to go sledding.
Hey,
Like, I'll be fine.
that's a good sacrifice to make though for the kids.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
If you're ever at Harrisburg Hospital, I will.
Really? I was born in Harrisburg.
Either. I hate them.
I was born in Harrisburg Hospital. I'm gonna try to pull up real far because I don't want it to pull up on your bumper.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna try to be
You're good.
far up here.
Literally just need to make it to part of the drive.
That should be fine, honestly.
It's right there on the left.
So you're gonna make the first left turn possible.
I think no, it's there.
Have the parking.
Farther, okay.
Parking at the front. So you got to go on the front one, the next one.
Got where it says park on the top left corner up there?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. Yeah, you can just put it in drive, and then I'll just pull you real
Neutral,
slow.
bro.
What?
Drive or neutral?
Drive is fine, or neutral, it doesn't matter.
Okay, I'll put it in drive.
The truck's gonna pull it no matter what. Too easy. Yep. Absolutely.
I appreciate it.
Hey, thank you for what you do. Helping a nurse, going to the hospital. A little bit more important than, YouTubing. A little. Happy to help. No way that 4Runner is stuck, right? You stuck?
Yeah.
The thing ain't got 4-wheel drive. No 4-wheel drive? Quattro?
Yeah.
It does. Why are the front wheels not turning?
I don't know.
Is it in 4-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Huh. It doesn't look too bad.
It's road.
Easy enough. I'll be right back. Easy. My rope has seen better days, boys. My rope is like all jacked up. That's all right. Okay. Reminds me of Top Gear, where James has his 4-wheel drive Suzuki and it doesn't work.
Four-wheel drive?
It is 4-wheel drive halfway. That's
Well,
in
why are the
full
front
load.
wheels not doing anything?
I'm gonna get him to flat ground. Okay. Good? I just wanted to get you where it was flat. Habla español?
Yeah, yeah.
See?
Nepal.
Too easy. Got the 4Runner out. Too easy. Okay. I thought that guy might have been Hispanic. Turns out he's Nepali, so I do not speak any Nepali. Do they sell non-4-wheel drive 4Runners? I didn't think they did. Maybe it isn't. Or he said, no, he said it was, and it's in 4-wheel drive. I don't think it was in, I don't know what that guy was doing. I don't think it was, well, I know it wasn't in 4-wheel drive, or it was broken, but something going on there. Definitely not 4-wheel drive. I don't know if it has it. Well, he didn't know what I was saying. He doesn't speak English really, so he didn't know what I was asking him. So maybe it's 2-wheel drive. Fun. Whew. Well, the storm is over, but the cold is not. I'm also in shorts, not smart. It is freezing out here, my God. But that was fun, had some fun, got some people unstuck. Overall, wasn't as crazy as the last storm. I think this one had a lot of warning and a ton of hype, so people really kind of stayed home, and that's good, but helped out a few. And I also didn't see any 18-wheelers or box trucks or anything big and crazy out there, so nothing too insane for the upload, but had fun out there, and helping out is always a good thing. The nurse was cool because that's actually like a good deed. But now on to some sad news here. Our Tahoe winner Marcos, he is not going to be able to make it in, so we are shipping the Tahoe to him. Of course, we had everything scheduled, and the storm ruined that. So he is active duty military, and when you are in the military, which of course, buddy, thank you for your service, you can't just leave. Like any normal job, if you get a day off, you can fly wherever if you can make it back in time, but he can't leave. Like, he has to stay in the area. I think he's on call too, like some type of thing like that. Now, he did get leave to come up here, but his flight got pushed back. He was coming in Sunday, then his flight got pushed to Monday and then fully canceled. And we actually thought about driving to get him because he was all the way in DC, which is actually only about 3 hours from here. But to get him and then get him here and then back to the airport in time for his flight home, that would be cutting it a little close. He can't be out getting stranded, you know. So I said, let's call it here. No worries. We'll ship the Tahoe, send the check, and then he's going to send us all the good pics from his trip to Hawaii with his family, and that's going to be awesome. So Marcos, thank you. Sorry it didn't work out, but you'll enjoy your truck, the cash, and the trip.